Ray J compares Kim and Kris to Diddy in new docs. The singer alleges conspiracy and fraud in new legal documents while asking a judge to dismiss the Kardashians' defamation suit. Ray J is escalating his legal battle with Kim Kardashian and Kris Jenner, filing new court documents that detail why he believes the mother-daughter duo engaged in racketeering activities. The singer has doubled down on his claims despite facing a defamation lawsuit from the Kardashians. In legal documents obtained by TMZ, Ray J outlines multiple allegations against Kim and Kris through his attorney Howard King. The filing represents his response to their defamation suit and includes a request for the judge to dismiss their case against him. The conspiracy allegations. Ray J's first major claim centers on the infamous 2007 sex tape that launched Kim Kardashian's rise to fame. According to the court documents, Ray J alleges that Kim and Kris conspired with Vivid Entertainment regarding the tape's release. The singer claims the pair orchestrated what he describes as a fake lawsuit against Vivid ahead of the sex tape becoming public. This alleged conspiracy, according to Ray J, was designed to deceive the public about the circumstances surrounding the tape's distribution. The sex tape controversy has remained a persistent topic in pop culture for nearly 2 decades. Ray J's new legal filing suggests his perspective on those events differs significantly from the public narrative that emerged at the time. Credit card fraud accusations. Beyond the sex tape allegations, Ray J makes financial claims against the Kardashians in his court filing. He alleges that Kim and Kris committed credit card fraud against his family members. According to the documents, the Kardashians allegedly accumulated an $850,000 bill using credit cards belonging to Ray J's relatives. The singer presents this as evidence of a pattern of fraudulent behavior targeting him and his family. These financial allegations add another dimension to Ray J's legal arguments, suggesting the issues between him and the Kardashians extend beyond the sex tape controversy into personal business dealings. Contract and extortion claims. Ray J also addresses a legal agreement he signed that included provisions about discussing the sex tape publicly. According to his filing, Kim and Kris allegedly defrauded him into signing this agreement, which contained requirements preventing him from mentioning or making public references to the tape. The situation escalated in June 2024 when Ray J answered questions about the sex tape during a podcast appearance. Following that interview, Ray J claims the Kardashians sent their attorneys to pressure him. He characterizes this legal response as extortion in his court documents. The singer argues these actions demonstrate a continued pattern of using legal threats to control his ability to speak about past events involving the family. Comparing the situation to other cases. In his legal filing, Ray J draws a comparison between Kim and Kris and Sean Diddy Combs, who faced RICO charges in the past. Notably, Diddy was ultimately acquitted of those racketeering charges. Ray J claims in his documents that the alleged RICO violations by Kim and Kris are more serious than the accusations faced by Diddy. He argues they have engaged in racketeering activities for years without facing consequences. The comparison to a high-profile criminal case adds inflammatory language to an already contentious legal battle. RICO statutes typically apply to organized crime operations and require proof of an ongoing criminal enterprise. The ChatGPT consultation. Perhaps the most unusual element of Ray J's filing involves his consultation with artificial intelligence. The singer reveals he turned to ChatGPT, the popular AI chatbot, to discuss his legal theories. According to Ray J, his conversations with the AI program reinforced his beliefs about Kim and Kris engaging in racketeering. He claims the chatbot's responses entrenched his conviction that the Kardashians qualify as racketeers under the law. Legal experts would likely note that AI chatbots, while useful for information gathering, are not qualified to provide legal opinions or replace consultation with licensed attorneys. The inclusion of this detail in court documents represents an unconventional approach to legal arguments. The defamation lawsuit backdrop. The Kardashians filed their defamation suit against Ray J after he publicly claimed they were subjects of a federal criminal racketeering investigation. Kim and Kris alleged these statements were false and damaging to their reputations. Rather than backing down from those claims, Ray J's new filing seeks dismissal of their lawsuit while reiterating and expanding upon his allegations. His legal team argues his statements about the Kardashians were justified based on what he characterizes as their pattern of behavior. The singer maintains confidence in his position, stating he has no doubt Kim and Kris have engaged in criminal enterprise activities. His filing asks the court to side with him and throw out the defamation case. Representatives for Kim Kardashian and Kris Jenner have not yet responded to requests for comment on Ray J's latest legal filing. The case continues to develop as both sides present their arguments to the court,